Hello, welcome to my channel. This is
Jasmine.
This is my niece Jasmine, and she's gonna help me make banana cake, right?
Yes.
You like banana cake?
I don't ever try banana.
You never tried banana cake before? Okay, we're gonna try to make banana cake today. Have 2 ripe bananas.
Yeah.
2 eggs. Some cashew nuts
And
right
some,
here.
And some brown sugar.
Yes, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And let's start cooking. First of all, Jasmine, you know what we need to do? We need to crack an egg.
Okay, where do I crack an egg?
Yeah, we're gonna crack an egg, okay? And this is what we do, okay?
Oh, can I try?
We crack an egg, okay? Okay, you can do.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's okay. Oh, still good. And now I'm gonna use. You can use whole milk, but I don't have whole milk. I'm gonna use almond milk. So
I don't know nothing about cooking.
So I put a cup of almond milk. You need 1 cup of that, Jasmine.
Okay.
All right.
I never made banana.
We don't have whole milk, so we just pour into here.
You can use any milk.
Yeah. Need to beat the egg up with the milk right here.
Can I mix it?
So 1 cup of almond milk. See that? Need to beat it up like that. Beat it up really good.
That looks like a hair.
Yeah. So we have a little accident and cracking the egg a little bit, but you know, it's all right. Now put the sugar in. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put it in.
When are we gonna use this?
After we pour into that bowl right there. So, okay, we beat it up really good now. Look at. That's pretty good. We leave it here. Now we're gonna cut banana, and we got a bowl right here. Okay.
Can I put it in?
Yeah. Let me cut it first. Okay.
Okay.
Peel it off. You want a really ripe banana.
Are you supposed to put it in the trash can, not the sink?
No. After that, I clean it. Okay. Now, just slice it like that. You know, slice it thin, not too thick.
No.
1 roll off right there. Okay.
One is stuck to the knife right there.
Yeah. Your job is to put the here. I let you do this. I let you put like this right here. Right here. Put it like that.
You can make a circle?
Yeah, just make it, fill it all up while I cut the other one, okay?
Okay. But
Yeah.
what do we do with the other one if we're
I'm going to cut the other one and you fill everything up, okay? I'm going to cut this one.
Okay, want to stick together.
Yeah.
Bananas are super sticky.
This is an easy recipe. You like it. I think you like it, Jasmine. You're gonna like it, but you never eat banana cake before?
Yeah, I never eat.
Well, this is a simple one to do.
Should I place it in one more circle?
Yeah, circle and then keep circle it up.
But what happens is ran out of the circle.
That's okay.
So we put on top?
Yeah, put on top. All right. You wash your hand already, right? Your hand pretty clean, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Wash my hair after
Yeah, just put it on top. Now put on top. Just. All right, like that. You don't have to be neat, Jasmine. Just put everything, you know. Okay. Now wash your hands.
Wonder banana is so thick.
So this is the mixture right here. You know, the 2 eggs and the almond milk and the sugar, the brown sugar. You mix it up really good in here. And then we're gonna pour into here. See? So simple. We pour into here. And then we put the cashew nut. Just put on top cashew nut. Just spread it on top all over. Yeah, just spread on top all over like that. And then we're gonna put an air fryer. Okay.
I don't know what the air fryer.
Yeah, hold this.
Okay.
We'll put it to the air fryer. It's so simple.
It's not that simple for me.
Alright. So I wanted the air fryer 30 minutes. Alright. 30 minutes and we should have a banana cake. Alright, we got 1 minute to go right here, about less than a minute to go. Let's see how it turns out.
Yes.
You think it'll turn out really good, Jasmine?
Yes.
Okay, come over here, come over here. Oh, it's done, it's done, it's done.
I can already.
Alright, the banana cake is done. Let's check it. Oh, looks nice. Looks awesome here. Don't touch, it's very hot. Don't touch. This is hot.
It looks like pizza.
Here, come taste it. Let's give it a taste. Mmm,
I don't think it tastes that good.
not bad. Mmm, mmm.
Why do you always make that noise?
Pretty sweet and very tasty. You can taste the eggs in there. Mmm. It's very good. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please give this recipe a try. It should be easy to do. 2 eggs, 2 banana,
It's super
And,
easy.
a cup of almond milk. That's it. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Ah, very tasty.